Have you ever wondered how some people manage to get so much done effortlessly? Well, today, I'm sharing 5 lesser-known habits that can transform your daily productivity. These are not your typical tips. They're unique, practical, and life-changing. Let's dive right in. Do a mental declutter. Productivity starts with a clear mind. Every morning, take just 5 minutes to do a quick mental decluttering exercise. Close your eyes and take a deep breath. Write down everything swirling in your mind. This isn't a to-do list. It's more like a brain dump. This practice helps you clear mental fog and reduces stress, setting the tone for a productive day ahead. 2. Work around your energy levels. We all have natural energy peaks and dips throughout the day. Some people are at their best in the early morning, while others shine in the afternoon. To maximize productivity, identify your high energy hours and schedule your most important tasks during that time. Here's how. 1. Track your energy levels for a week. Notice patterns and align your workflow with your peaks. Working with your energy instead of against it can do wonders for your output. 3. Learn to say no. Being productive isn't about doing everything, it's about doing the right things. Practice saying no to tasks, requests, or meetings that don't align with your priorities. For example, decline unnecessary meetings or unplanned interruptions. Ask yourself, does this task bring me closer to my goals? If not, politely decline. Saying no frees up time for what truly matters. Refresh your workspace. Your physical environment plays a major role in your productivity. But it's not just about keeping things tidy. It's about making your space energizing. Here's how to refresh your workspace. Add a green plant to your desk. Plants boost mental health and reduce stress. Place a motivational quote or image where you can see it. Invest in comfort. An ergonomic chair or a supportive cushion can make all the difference. A workspace that inspires you can supercharge your focus and productivity. 5. Schedule a weekly brainstorming session. Set aside 15 to 20 minutes each week for a personal brainstorming session. During this time, reflect on your long-term goals. Explore new ideas and jot them down. Let your creativity flow freely. This habit not only boosts productivity, but also keeps you aligned with your bigger vision. It's a small investment of time that yields massive rewards. Productivity doesn't have to be complicated. By adopting these 5 unique habits, you can work smarter, not harder. Which of these habits are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and share it with someone who could use a productivity boost. See you in the next video.